Have you seen focus? What is your favorite from focus?
Okay, I have seen focus at the starting from my education in this university. I've accepted focus as my mother in spiritual life. I am grows very more than very in focus for my service. For example, the team which have favorite in focus which I am very like is evangelism, and I see focus is the charity or the charity organization for all of her members. And what I want to say is God bless the focus, and my favorite work is in focus is doing evangelism as well as the worship in focus is very attractive me. And the year I stay here. Thank you for this.
Okay, thank you. The second question. How are you seeing your life in this university?
In this university, I have, before coming to this university, I think in life in the university is very difficult. I told to myself that the life in university is impossible without having the ladder. But when I come to this university, I gain more. I have get one ladder. That ladder is focused. The life in university is very good. Also, it is very okay. Sorry for the technical problem. The life in university is too good and too bad. But what that problem is how we accept it and how we act it. If we act in the hand of God and in the view of Jesus Christ, the life of university is the life which is very good and which help us to reach our goal. But if we do by ourselves, if we try to without God, it is very difficult. So the life in universities for me it is very good because I have gained many different teachings, learnings, which is used to me in spiritual life, again in life on the earth. So the life in universities look like this for me.
Okay, it says many things. Now the next one is Roobaa. I ask one question. Express your joy about today's.
First of all, thank you for giving me this kind of a chance for me, for Kumarraa. Kumarraa mentioned many things, but I would like to say in today's lesson, I enjoyed a very great, a huge lesson. When I say that, there is a, as we know, there is a, today is the celebration, today is the participation time, today is a goodbye time, today is everything's time. But I enjoyed, also everybody enjoyed, not only me, everybody enjoyed the worship. When I say that, we can't think enough when God purpose or when God distribute His power through worship. I would like to say thank you God for that. But especially I enjoyed my brother Yoel, my brother Igama. That's poem touched my heart. When we say we can't describe things by poem. Every time we can't describe things by poem, but you have a potential with that. I enjoyed today. In conclusion, I enjoyed today. I enjoyed the worship. Also, I enjoyed the poem. I think that's enough for your question.
Achi dubbisatti kaasaa waan ta'eef baay'ee ulfaataadha. Gaaffii baay'ee qopheeffatee turre. Ani natti golfitu yookiin foonnaanis eebbifamaa laani. Haamleedhaan Kumarraa fa'aa gara iddoo isaatti nu simaddaa.